Okay, so the heart of the suspension system that we'll be installing today is the crossmember that is extremely well built. The TIG welds on this thing are as good as any I've seen. Okay, we've got the crossmember mocked into place, and it's sitting in the car, measured in per the diagrams, and is exactly in the spot that it will eventually be welded in place. But in order to weld it, we're going to have to cut out the seam here, the lip that's created where the frame rail is pinch welded together. So that's got to be cut out so that the spring pocket, coilover mount, and the cross member can merge together and be welded in.
First, a little bit of trimming.
Everything is now mocked in place and it's ready to be tack welded.
Okay, here's the cross member and coilover pockets all tacked in place, and the whole assembly bolted up, just fabbed up right now. What do you think, Matt?
I say we take it for a spin.